Let's create a Python code that can send the WhatsApp message automatically. So here you can see I'm using the VS Code and this type of 4 to 5 line of code. Okay, so we are going to use here the two library. First one is the py.watkit. Okay, and we need to install this. Okay, so just type this import py.kit. Make sure you can save your file, okay, before writing a code. So use the command as a control S and just save this like wt.py and just save it. Now you can see import py.kit here, and I'm going to import here the date also. Okay, date time, I'm going to import the date time. And now let's set a hour and minute, like when we have to send the message. So that's going to be a 24 hour. Okay, so suppose the hour is equal as 70, okay, or 16. Now let me just see the time is right now 4:57 p.m. right now. So it's around the 16. If I'm going to set minute equal 30. Now we have the hour and minute. Now we need to define here the phone number. Okay, so just define the phone number. Suppose phone number. Now here you need to add the number where you want to send the message. Okay, and now here in the third we need to add the message. So the message I'm going to just add here the hello. This is the scheduled message. So I'm going to just change it to something the good morning or something like good morning like this. Okay, now we need to write a simple method here, and that is pykit dot send what message. Send what message. And now we need to pass here the 4 parameters. So the first one is phone number, second one is a message, third one is hour and minute. Okay, and it's done. Okay, now let me just save that code. Okay, and make sure you need to install the pykit. So just use here the pip3 install py.watkit. Okay, and it's done. Okay, now let's run this program and let's see the time is it's a 5 already. So I'm going to just add it 17 and just 0 here. Okay, sorry, not just let it make it 1. Okay, and let's run this. Okay, make sure I need to change that number here from my own number. So I need to set it to 2 and just let's run this again fast. Okay, in 11 seconds, WhatsApp will open and after the 15 second, message will be delivered. Okay, let's wait the 11 seconds. Make sure you need to log in your WhatsApp in the web view. Okay, so I'm using a web view and I already have logged in my WhatsApp here. And you can see this good morning message is sent to that number. Okay, now this will automatically send. You don't need to even click on the enter button. That will automatically run. Okay, so you just need to set a time that will automatically send a message to the any person. You just need to add the number here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any idea related to the Python code or any other idea, you can just comment on the video. I'm going to create a video on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.